eyes have the power to speak a great language. With this beautiful thought, I, Himani Joshi, your English teacher, welcome you all in our today's video. In this video, we are going to start unit number 10. In this unit, we have one poem and one story. Okay, so let us start with the poem. So the title of this poem is How Creatures Move. So what do you mean by creature? Creature means a living thing like an animal, a bird, an insect, a human being, not including the plants. We can say all the living things are the creatures. Okay, and all the living things are the creation of nature. Nature has made all the living things, and all the living things have different powers. Okay, like animals, they can do many things, like they can walk, they can run so fast, like tiger. Okay, like fish can swim very fast. Okay, and the different animal has different power. Like we human beings can do many things. We can leap, dance, walk, run. Okay, likewise the animals, birds and insects also have the different powers. Okay, they can have fun in a different way. Okay, like us, we have fun. We can dance, we can sing songs, we can watch movies. Okay, to have fun we can do many things, okay, which the animals can't do. Okay, and there are the many things that the humans can do but the animals can't. Okay, so in this story, in this poem, we are going to learn that what the animals, birds and insects can do, which we as human beings can't do. Okay, let's move in different ways and see who has the most fun, the animals or the human beings. Okay, so let us visualize the poem. Thereafter we will do the word by word reading, recitation of the poem. Okay, so let us first visualize the poem.
The lion walks on padded paws, padded paws, padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, limb to limb, limb to limb. While flies can crawl straight up a wall, straight up a wall, straight up a wall. And seals can dive and swim, dive and swim, dive and swim. The worm he wiggles all around, the monkey swings by his tail. And birds may hop up on the ground or spread their wings and sail, and spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun, much more fun, much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run, walk and run. They leap and dance and walk and run, walk and run, walk and run.
Now let us start the recitation of the poem. The lion walks on padded paws, padded paws, padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, limb to limb, limb to limb. While flies can crawl straight up a wall, straight up a wall, up a wall. And seals can dive and swim, dive and swim, dive and swim. The worm he wiggles all around, all around, all around. The monkey swings by his tail, by his tail, by his tail. And birds may hop up on the ground or spread their wings and sail. And birds may hop up on the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun, much more fun, much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run, walk and run, walk and run. Now let us start the word by word reading. The lion walks on padded paws. Please repeat after me. The lion walks on padded paws. In this poem we have a lot of verbs, okay, and while we are doing the reading we have to underline the verbs as well, okay. The lion walks on padded paws, okay. So padded means covered with a soft layer of skin, okay. Padded means covered with a soft layer of skin, okay. And here the verb is walks, okay. So how does a lion walk? The lion walks on padded paws. Paws means feet of an animal that has claws, okay. Feet of an animal that has claws. So the lion walks on padded paws. Padded means covered with a soft layer of skin, okay. Now the squirrel leaps. Leaps means to jump high, okay. Leaps means to jump high, okay, from limb to limb. Limb means an arm or a leg, okay. So the squirrel jumps high from limb to limb, okay. While flies can crawl. Crawl means move forward on legs, okay. So the flies crawl straight up a wall, okay. So the flies crawl on a wall. And seals can dive and swim. Dive means to jump in water, okay. Dive means to jump in water with head and hands first, okay. And seals can dive and swim. And seals can dive into the water and can swim as well. The worms wiggles all around. Worms moves by twisting and turning the body. The monkey swings by his tail, okay. Monkey swings by his tail. Swings means move side to side or back or front, okay. So monkey swings by his tail. Monkey swings by his tail. And birds may hop upon the ground, okay. And how do the birds go? Walk, they hop, okay. They can't walk, they just hop, okay. Or spread. Spread means to open their wings and sail. Sail means, we have learned this, sail, the meaning of sail is to travel on water, okay. So to open their wings and sail. But here where do the birds sail? In the water or in the air, okay. So to travel in the air, okay. So the birds travel in the air. They open their wings and travel in the air, okay. But boys and girls have much more fun. They have more fun than the animals. They can do various things. Like they can leap, they can dance, they can walk, and they can run as well, okay. So who have the most fun? Yes, boys and girls, because they can do many things to have fun, okay. Not like the animals, okay. Animals can do only a particular thing. Like the animals can walk on their lions can walk on their padded paws, okay. And squirrels can jump high, okay, from their limbs. While flies can crawl on the wall. Seals can dive and swim, okay. Seals can jump into the water and swim. How do the worms move? They twist their body and move. And monkeys swing by their tail, okay. With the help of their tail, they swing from branch to branches. Now birds hop on the ground, and with the help of their wings, they sail in the air, okay. So yes, it is very interesting poem. Now let us do the word meanings, okay. Please write down Unit number 10. Unit 10. The name of this poem is How Creatures Move. How, H-O-W, how creatures, C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Creatures move. Okay, how creatures move. So let us do the word meanings. Write down word meanings. M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S. Meanings. Word meanings, and here you have to write the date on the top left corner. Okay, our first word is padded. Our first word is padded. P-A-D-D-E-D. Padded. P-A-D-D-E-D. Padded. Covered with a soft layer. Covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Covered with a soft layer. Okay, covered with a soft layer. Padded means covered with a soft layer. Now the second word is pause. Okay, now the second word is pause. P-A-W-S. Pause. Its meaning is feet of an animal. Feet of an animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Feet of an animal that has claws. That has claws. C-L-A-W-S. Claws. Claws means feet of an animal that has claws. Now the next is leaps. Leap means L-E-A-P. Leap means to jump high. Who can leap? Squirrel. Okay, squirrel can jump high. Okay, with the help of their arms. Okay, so leap means to jump high. Leap means to jump high. Now the next is limb. Fourth one is limb. L-I-M-B. Limb. Its meaning is an arm or a leg. Limb means an arm or a leg. Now the next is crawl. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl means move forward on legs. Move forward on legs. Move forward on legs. Crawl means move forward on legs. Now the next is wiggles. W-I-G-G-L-E-S. Wiggles. Its meaning is moves. M-O-V-E-S. Moves by twisting. T-W-I-S-T-I-N-G. Twisting. Moves by twisting and turning the body. T-U-R-N-I-N-G. Turning the body. The body. B-O-D-Y. Wiggles means twisting and turning the body. Now the next is spread. Spread means to open. Spread. S-P-R-E-A-D. Spread means to open. Okay, to open. O-P-E-N. Open. Now the next is swings. Okay, next is swings. S-W-I-N-G-S. Swings. S-W-I-N-G-S. Swings means move side to side or back or front while hanging from something. Okay, first one is padded. Its meaning is covered with a soft layer. Okay, so covered with. Padded means, repeat after me, padded. P-A-D-D-E-D. Its meaning is covered with a soft layer. Next is paws. P-A-W-S. Its meaning is feet of an animal that has claws. Leap, L-E-A-P, leap. Its meaning is to jump high. Next is limb. Its meaning is an arm or a leg. Now the next is crawl, C-R-A-W-L. Its meaning is move forward on legs. Next is wiggles. Its meaning is moves by twisting and turning the body. Next is spread. Its meaning is to open. Next is swings. Moves side to side or back or front while hanging from something. Okay. So who swings? Monkeys. Okay. Monkeys swing from branch to branch. Okay. Now let us do the question answers. We have only one question. So please first of all complete the word meanings, then only shift to the question answers. So question answers, let us do the question answers. Only one question is there. Question. Question. Answer. ANSWER. Question 1. Okay. Why do boys, B-O-Y-S, boys and girls, why do boys and girls have the most fun? Have the most, M-O-S-T, most fun, F-U-N, fun, question mark. Why do boys and girls have the most fun? Tell me, why do boys and girls have the most fun?
Because they can leap, dance, walk and run.
Yes, because they can do many things like they can leap, dance, walk and run. Okay, lots of things are there. Please write the answer with me. The boys and girls have more fun. Boys and girls have more fun as they can leap, dance, walk and run all around A-R-O-U-N-D, around. Okay, so why do boys and girls have the most fun? Boys and girls have more fun as they can leap, dance, walk and run around. I repeat, boys and girls have more fun as they can leap, dance, walk and run around. In total, they can do many things, okay, which the animals can't do, okay. So, we means boys and girls means human beings, okay. We can have the most fun. Alright. Now we have one more exercise that you have to solve in your book. Alright. You have to match column number A with column number B. Okay. So lions, what the lions can do? They can walk. So match it with walk. What the squirrels can do? Leap. L-E-A-P, leap. Okay. Flies. Crawl, C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Seals, dive, D-I-V-E, dive. Worms, wiggle, W-I-G-G-L-E, wiggle. Monkeys, swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing. Birds, hop, H-O-P, hop. Okay. Now arrange these movements, words, from slow to fast. Okay, so run, walk, hop and crawl. So I think at number 1 crawl, number 2 walk, number 3 hop and the fastest is run. Alright. Now underline the letters which are silent in the following words. Walk. Okay. L is silent. Walk. Repeat after me. Walk. So L is silent. Straight. GH is silent. GH. Straight. GH. Repeat after me. Walk. Straight. More. E is silent. Caught. GH is silent. Calm. L is silent. Talk. L is silent again. Very nice. Now the next and the last question is, what do you do when you are bored? I personally love listening to music. Okay, you can tell me and write in the comment section that what do you do when you are bored. Alright, I hope you all have liked this chapter. You are supposed to learn the word meanings. Okay, along with their words, you have to learn the spellings of the words with their meaning. Okay, and the question also, only one question we have of this chapter. Okay, and the exercises like what the animals can do. Okay, so everything you have to learn properly. Alright, please do your work on time. Okay, so we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, and have healthy food like green vegetables, and drink plenty of water throughout the day. Thank you.